Okay, so this is going to be a second attempt. Our first attempt did not level correctly. So this is basically leaving off where we were on our last video, going back and hitting print. All right, so this is our second video, and as you can see, this is our 3D printer. That red area down there is our 3D printing bed. We fed in our filament to the top. We will be printing POA plastic, and this area right here is our extruder. That is the area that I talked to you about before, being about 200 degrees Celsius. So right about now, we are going to be going in, and it's going to auto level for us. So what it does from this point is it cleans that extruder head and then hits each corner point on our bed to make sure that we are all set and level and our print is operating. Looks like we had a successful print bed level. So now it's going to heat back up. It generally lowers its temperature around to 140 degrees Celsius to make sure it levels properly. And now it's going to heat back up to 200 degrees Celsius so we get our ability to turn our solid filament into a liquid filament. What happens then is as the extruder head lays down the liquid plastic onto the print bed keeps it all nice and warm, but still makes everything nice and solid with air-cooled temperatures. Okay, so in our first video, we worked with the Cura software to bring in the STL file. This file now is being transferred over via USB cord to the 3D printer, and the 3D printer will start printing on that print bed. I'll just give you a second to show how that happens, and we'll do a couple of the layers. Remember, this is about a 2-hour print, so it is going to take a little bit longer to do. We may go back and cut to a different video to show the end product at a different time. I'll leave it here and cut to a different recording and see if I can get something where I speed it on up. At the very least, I'll show an end result of the product when it is finally done. Remember, this will take about 2 hours, so I wanted to cut this video down to about 5 minutes so you can see what the start of the process looks like. If I can have the rest filmed for you guys, I will. Remember, we have to make about 16 of these, so I will attempt to do that at another time. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to showing you. Okay, so this is our finished product. Okay, so it looks like there's a braille aspect to this. We're probably going to want to go in and clean these up just to make sure there's no sharp edges on those braille pieces. But there we go. That's what we got. We got to do, this is for our assistive technology department. We've got about 15 more of these to do. So normally you would, someone else would be responsible for taking a look at this, but there we go. I will do more videos on this as we go.